Well, it's getting hot out here. I got things to do. Got a bunch of steak and a barbecue ready to cook them. Let's take a quick look at this beast. For those of you that watch me build this thing, you know what it is. Got the Second Amendment lasered in right there. The wood came out pretty nice. I really like that. It's in high gloss right now. I don't know how many goddamn steel brass tacks I got in her. Quite a few. I finally did put a stud in it. After I got done, I thought, you know what, I really don't want to put a hole in that brass inlay, but that was the original, was all I was going to do to it. Do the brass inlay. And I was going to call it done. She is a shiny bugger. Oh shit. Well, what do you think, folks? She's pretty gaudy, one guy told me on my channel. I think it's a step above gaudy, or step below, whatever you want to call it. It is gaudy. There's a lot of color. I like the red. I like the wood, brass. Hey, it's a 1022. It was broken in two at one time. It's all put back together. Got a new life. Probably do nothing but hit a target range once in a blue moon. Get down, shoot with the kids. Anyway, I got some more 22 stuff coming up with this barrel. The plastic stock that came in is absolutely worthless, but for kids, you know, 8 and 10-year-old kids shooting, or as soon as they get long enough arms they can shoot, I'm just gonna, they're farm kids. I'm gonna do some painting on that plastic stock, and if I can get another one, I'm gonna paint several of them. I can just pop the rifle in and out of the action, in and out of the stocks as we need it. Anyway, there's the Coon Club, folks. High and shiny. Thanks a million.